my channel. My name is Evelyne, and in today's video I've decided to do a different type of video where I give you guys a makeup tutorial because my friend actually suggested it. If you want like those peachy glowy makeup looks, like soft. So today I'm going to be a bit extra and like show you how I did my makeup when I went to a party. I mean, I'm gonna tell you a secret. I actually kind of never did my makeup when I went to parties, but let's pretend that I did my makeup. So for the dewy makeup and like that natural glow, I think the most important step is to add sunscreen. Oh, by the way, I kind of like don't know what I'm saying. As you can see, I'm already glowing. Okay, not really. Okay, so now that I'm done with the base, I usually start with my eye makeup. I know I look stupid right now. Stupid. After I do the eyeshadow, I usually add highlighter, and I'm using this Douglas Sweetie eyeshadow palette. Okay, now that I'm done with the eyeshadow and highlighter on my eyes, then I'm gonna use this lash curler and just curl my lashes. This lash color is really so good. Oh my god, see? I think it makes such a difference. Then I add mascara. This is the mascara I usually use. It's the Lash Sensational one. I know a lot of people use it. It's actually the only mascara that works for me because my lashes never work. I don't like adding a lot because I still want to give it like a natural look to it. Moving on to the brows, I usually just I use this little wax thing just to shape them because as you can see, this does not look in place. So I just use this to brush them out. Wow, I'm so beautiful. I feel so ugly right now. Okay, lips time. What? Lip time. So for the lips, the first thing that I do is moisturize. I usually either do this Be Natural lip balm, okay, or this is so good, Orange Butter lip balm. I think I'm gonna do this one because I haven't used it in a while. Oh my god, this one smells so good. It leaves such a nice shine, so I just use that. Then I use this Lancome what is it called? And then I use this Lancome colored lip balm. This has glitter. This is the most beautiful thing you've ever seen in your life. It's wonderful. Let me show you. Look. Can you believe it, guys? Look. Wow. I know. Wow. I know. I know. It moisturizes your lips so nicely and it leaves this cute little tint. I hate wearing lip glosses. I'm so sorry. I know lip glosses are like the ultimate step. The last step that I do is add blush, and I use the Rare Beauty blush in shade Lucky. This is my sister's, just so you know. You actually have to, like, everybody knows that you don't have to use a lot. Otherwise, your face will be pink. You look like a bubblegum. That's not even at all. This is how my makeup looks in normal lighting, like when the light is not blowing in your face. My name is Evelyne. It's kind of messy. So this is my makeup. I added a little highlighter. As you can see, my pimples are popping, but they're normal. It's normal. Pimples are normal. Yeah, so that was my makeup routine. Not routine. So that was like my little tutorial for the glowy pinkish makeup look. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a very different type of video, so sorry if I'm not being myself. I just freaked out because I never do this kind of types of videos. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I helped you out in the first place. I hope I helped you out. Yeah, see you. Bye bye.